Cool. Tools. Structurally integrated part of the truck now. There's that. All right. What do you say we prime this beezy with the electric fuel pump?
With the electric.
Let's see how it runs now. Fresh battery, a hold down. They could take down the whole truck.
I will check for leaks.
Casey's gonna check for leaks.
Ow, I pinched my finger. Never mind. Maybe I'm not capable. Informers, give it a minute in a minute time. Dog fights.
Fog nights. All right.
Don't drive over my camera.
How are we feeling?
I'm feeling pretty good. The only thing I'm kind of tripping on is I think my cap wire installs.
Gotta fill the fuel.
Yeah. I said don't run over my camera.
All right.
Don't drive over my camera. Yeah. I said don't run over my camera. I said don't run over my camera.
Hey, gear. My bad.
Shit.
What happened?
Well, I kind of dropped the camera since it got driven into and I didn't readjust it.
Sorry. My bad. Runs much better.
It sounds like it's got a...
Less popping for sure.
Wow. Dude.
It needs less choke now. That's good. Let's see here. Runs good.
Even with the exhaust leak, that's like quiet.
Headlights on? Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
shit. Let's take it for a spin.
Fucking hey, Peter. Dude, it runs really good.
Tell me that's not big.
Oh, dude. That
Satisfying.
is a job well done. I like it, boom, boom, down. Come up. What the hell?
I don't think your door's shut.
I think you're right. It's not.
We gotta pick it up a little.
Okay. You hold this thing.
Yep.
yeah, dude. You're right.
Definitely less misfire now.
It sounds tremendously better.
Yeah, it sounds way better. Tires are very much dry tracks, so we can't take it very far, but this is about perfect little test right here.
I'm just trying to get more shot.
We're real close to taking it to Casey's house.
Oh, dude.
Third gear.
Whoa.
We're in third, boss!
Yeah, hell yeah, bro.
Oh! I don't know if the sidewalls can take third.
Man, this thing is fucking absolutely mint.
It does the thing, all of it.
Yeah. The more I think about it though, the more I'm like, yeah, I could see the leaf springs falling out of this fucking thing.
Yeah, you're not wrong. Well, shit, I'd call that a successful mission. What do you think?
Oh my god, dude. That feels incredible. That's the best feeling in the world.
Yeah.
A good tune-up is crazy.
I love it.
Man, alive. That's great, because they got to hear it at the beginning.
Yeah.
And listen to that.
Yeah, there's none of that,
That's with...
way less backfiring.
That's with an exhaust leak that's the size of a Kennedy half dollar, less than 2 feet from the engine.
There's a little bit of popping, but
This thing
again,
runs fucking great.
the carburetor may need some tuning. You know, we might need to set timing. I really don't know. I don't know. But so far, everything seems to be functioning right. And
well, my vote is don't fucking touch it.
that's choked all the way off.
Put an exhaust on it.
Yeah, I mean,
Seriously.
I'm down. I got a muffler up there.
Put an exhaust on it and leave it.
Yeah.
The only thing that would have changed would be airflow a little bit.
Yeah, but
Dude,
honestly,
so I mean, we check the plug. We drive it somewhere, drive it back, check the plugs, give them a quick read.
yeah, and see where we're at. I mean, we can maybe tune the carb a little, but I honestly don't think any of the electrical for the lights is working at all.
And that blows.
And that's fine. That's fine. That's all stuff that we can definitely sort out.
Yeah.
Being an electrician, we can do that. I'm stoked.
Dude,
This thing runs really good.
great.
Even better than I thought. Like,
That's wild.
we're shitting in tall cotton. Found another knob.
Hell yeah, dude.
I don't even know what that goes to.
In the void?
In the void.
Nice, dude. All right.
For now,
Dude.
I'm tickled to death.
Hell yeah.
Right on. Thanks for the help, YouTube. Couldn't have done it without you.
No shit, eh? Hopefully you guys like this content.
Yeah, I really like making it with Casey, and you know, hopefully this will get us out in the woods here pretty quick. Obviously, as you guys can tell, it does run and drive pretty good. So I think we've got some new wheels and tires on the way. Hope you guys are going to see that in the next video. We're going to do kind of a overall makeover on this thing.
Just a visual.
Yeah, like a visual makeover, but it's also going to be functional. I mean, there's a lot of stuff here that we don't necessarily need, and we're going to kind of go through some stuff and see what we need to do next, what's going to be on the agenda, what's and must do number 1 on the item agenda, or you know, what's a number 5 down at the bottom kind of stuff. Obviously, cosmetics and stuff, we don't really need to worry about that a whole lot, but there's a couple things that I do want to do cosmetically that aren't going to cost any money, that I think it'll make a big difference in the way the truck looks.
But functionality wise, we just want tires on it that won't blow up.
Which I actually go get those mounted tomorrow, so I'm excited to show you guys what those are.
And then we want to put just enough exhaust on it to where we aren't chewing on fuel on a decently long road trip.
Yep, because right now it dumping by the firewall and the floorboards in the shape that they're in, we are not going to make it
We're huffing.
pretty. So.
Yeah, we're huffing, which ain't far. Yeah, the list goes on.
It's huge.
It is huge, but
forever.
Yeah, if you guys want to continue to see all this stuff, and I mean you're gonna either way, but just know that it's coming because we're gonna keep doing this whether you want to or not.
Yep.
And then we're gonna get to enjoy an old rig in the woods. That's about as peaceful as it gets.
Yeah, 100%. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe.
All the things.
You know, all the things.
And yeah, we'll see you guys around.
Tell us what you want to see next too.
Yeah.
We'd like to know that. So
yeah.
Thanks for sticking around.
Seriously.
We'll see you in the next one. Adios.
Oh. How bitchin', dude. Oh my god. I love it. That's so sick.